What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up? My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup.
My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. Yeah. My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. Like, yeah. My intuition.
Where I sound like a valley girl, I like pink hair, and I love to rap. That's just who I am. And if you don't like that, then good thing you're not me. So anyways, this video is going to be a tutorial of this bang-on look right here. So it is like a very beautiful, like gunmetal smoky eye with a blue wing liner and then a pop of blue in the lower waterline as well. And this is not the lip that I originally put on. I realized I just changed it for the intro to match my hair. I originally screwed this wig up and then I'm like, I'm just gonna make it into a bob for my Halloween costume, and I really like the way it turned out. I'm gonna be Nicki Minaj because I think I'm like the white Nicki Minaj, like that's me. Anyways, so if you would like to see how to get this beautiful look right here, then keep on watching. And if you do like these types of videos, please let me know by giving them a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm going to be taking this Makeup Geek eyeshadow in Bake Sale with a E40, and I'm going to be putting that in my crease and using that as a transition color. It's just kind of like a neutral brown. So now I'm going to be taking kind of like this grayish color from the Kat Von D Shaded Light eye palette and just putting that right over where we put the brown. I mean, gray and brown aren't usually colors I mix, but I just wanted to make that brown a little bit more gray tone. So now I'm going to be taking a M441 and going in with that lighter brown and just going in the crease for a third time. I didn't realize that I used so many colors, but now I'm going to be taking an M433 and we are going to be taking that dark brown and just patting that in the outer third of our eye. And then I'm going to kind of go back and forth, and then I'm also going to smoke it out a little bit, and that will kind of give it a cat eye effect. And then I'm going to bring it into my crease. Now I'm going to be going in with the even darker brown. The brown that I used at first wasn't giving me the effect that I was going for. This definitely did. I wanted that really intense dark smoky eye. So now I'm going to be putting this NYX glitter glue on and then going in with the NATASHA Denona eyeshadow in Industrial. Oh, this color is so gorgeous. It's like a beautiful like gunmetal metallic, and I'm using a Wet n Wild concealer brush and just putting that on my lid, the inner two-thirds. Now I'm going to go in with this Makeup Forever eyeshadow and a pencil brush and just kind of make a V shape and put that in the outer corner of my eye. And then once I lay the color down, I am going to go back in with an M433 and kind of pat it to blend it out. I'm gonna smoke it out here. And then slowly bring it into the crease. Now I'm just going to use a setting spray as a Fix Plus and go back in with that Industrial shade. NATASHA Denona eyeshadows are so good. You don't even need to do this, and it honestly doesn't make that much of a difference because they already are so pigmented, but I just wanted to. Now I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner, and it's in like a beautiful like periwinkle blue. And I wasn't planning on doing a cat wing, but that's just where the eyeliner pen stopped. So I thought it looks cute and went ahead and did it on the other side. So now I'm going to take this I already did go in with the hard candy blue eyeliner on the bottom. And now I'm going to be taking Bake Sale and just kind of blending out the eyeliner in the water lower line.
Let me hit it raw like fuck the outcome. Hey, none of us would be here without come. Hey, if it ain't all about the income, let me see you go ahead and spend some.
And I'm just going to be doing the same thing on the other side. And now I'm going to be putting some mascara on. I'm using the MARC Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara, which is my holy grail mascara. It is so amazing. It is the best mascara ever. And now I'm going to be priming my face. I'm using the BECCA Backlight Priming Filter, and I have period acne right now. I don't know why I thought illuminating my face was the best idea, because it wasn't. But I just ordered a new BECCA primer. I haven't used it in so long because I didn't want to finish it, but I'm like, I'm just going to finish it and buy a new one. So first I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution foundation stick in F1 and just put that all over my face. And because I do have so much acne, I need like extra coverage right now. So I'm also going to be taking some of the ColourPop No Filter foundation in Fair and putting some of that on my hand, and then taking my brush, putting some of it in the ColourPop foundation, and then using that to buff out the stick foundation already on my face. I'm like, do 2 medium coverage foundations equal extra coverage? Because I think they do. That was the math I did in my head. So I just needed some extra coverage this week. So I'm going to be taking this Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I had such high hopes for this concealer, and the reason it wasn't included in my favorites is because there are a lot of products, especially powders, that this concealer does not work well with. And I thought I was going to be okay in this video, but you'll see coming up, the powder I used did not mix well with it, and I am just really disappointed. So I tried to use this BECCA like Refresh and something powder, and it just kind of made like a huge patch. It like clung to that patch right there on my face. I don't know if you can tell. And it also did that with my Hourglass powder. I'm like, this is ridiculous. I can't use any of my powders. The only powder that it's been working with is the RCMA. So that's what I'm going in with here. And just setting the rest of the concealer. Even though I still have that pouch, or that patch on my face. So now I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish Perfecting Powder. I'm trying to fix that error, but it's not going away. And so I'm going to go in, or those were the lashes that I used. I did lashes and brows, and now I'm going to be bronzing with the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer and a Morphe E3. And I'm just going to be putting that on my cheeks. And then giving my pale ass some sun. And then I'm gonna just go around the perimeter of my face. I'm like so mad. That ruined my whole makeup. I'm gonna be taking this GLAMGLOW highlighting palette and using that light, like white one. And now I'm just trying to cover it with highlighter, even though that's like an oxymoron. I'm just highlighting it. But I'm just trying to do something. So now I'm gonna go in with that light lavender blush from my NARS Wanted palette, and that shade is a very sheer color. You have to really build it up or mix it with something. So I ended up mixing it with my Cargo blush, and I think it looked really beautiful. And I wanted to add just a little bit of a more like icy white highlight. So I'm using my BECCA Pearl and just going right at the tops of my cheeks and right on top of that GLAMGLOW highlighter. Now I'm taking the Laura Mercier translucent glow setting powder with a large fluffy brush, and I'm going to be buffing and see if I'm trying that I think does work some. I'm just going to be going all over my face with this illuminating powder to kind of blend all of the makeup together and to kind of buff out any harsh lines or edges. And now I'm going to be taking this Dior setting spray, I forget what it's called, and spraying it all over. And then my bougie ass has to grab my fan. And then we're gonna do some lips and we will be finished after I douse myself a little bit more in a $50 setting spray. I'm just ridiculous. So I'm gonna be taking this NARS liquid lipstick, and I thought the like purple undertone in the lip complemented the look very well. And here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.